you saw, smash that subscribe button, smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every holy shit, every single week. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mark and welcome to Epic Confections. If you're new here, smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos every single week. This week is a special week because I am joined with some incredibly talented cake artists. I have Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot, Lorelie from Cakes with Lorelie, and Dan from Man Cake. The mission? Stained glass cake. Can we do it? Well, as you can see, I already did it. But anyway, this week we all teamed up. We wanted to show you 4 variations of how you can do stained glass cake. I've already done mine. We're gonna get right into the video. Let's do it. Just one more quick thing, guys. I just wanted to say a thank you, a huge thank you. Everybody's been incredible reaching out, sending messages about Tigra. I shot a video last week, you know, saying some bad news about Tigra, and the love and support has been pouring in, and I can't thank you enough. It's been incredible, so thank you so much. Yo! Alright, so let's get started. So here I already cut, filled, and stacked 2 6-inch white cakes. Here I have 2 different shades of pink. I just watered down some liquid gel with some water. And here I'm just taking a plain paper towel, dipping it into my food gel, and just kind of wiping it, creating this really cool textured watercolor effect. So next, I actually was using my phone as a reference. I found a photo of a stained glass template, and I just took some black royal icing and I just kind of freehand it, and this is the result. Completely happy with it. So once I was happy with my design, I went ahead and drew some lines on either side of the design and on top to kind of box it all in. Next, I colored some piping gel, and I just took a disposable bag and I started filling in all of my green spaces, the grass and the stems of the flowers. Next, I started working on my pink colors. See how I'm holding the piping bag? I found it so much easier to actually hold it in between my index finger and my thumb instead of holding it like a traditional piping bag. Now, because I didn't let this royal icing fully dry, just be mindful when you're putting on your piping gel to not really hit the edge of that royal icing because you will get some bleeding. Yes, there she is. I love that so much. I think it's super cute. So next I prepared some colored rice paper the previous night. All it is plain white rice paper that you get in the grocery stores. And I put it on a piece of parchment paper, water down some food color, and just wipe it down with some color on both sides and let it dry as flat as I can. And then when it dries, the next morning, you can actually cut it into different shapes. So here I cut them into 3 little petals, and I just stuck it in the top of the cake. And then I'm taking my black royal icing and I'm drawing an outline around each petal, creating a stained glass flower. Super cute. So you want to be sure to make that royal icing outline on each individual petal, because then it really looks like stained glass and it looks like the petals are layered, and that's the effect that you want, right? Here I'm doing the exact same thing with the little tiny green petals or the green leaves. I love this effect so much. It's actually transparent, it looks like glass, and it's a super easy, simple technique. And here I'm just doing the exact same thing with some different colored flowers, some pink ones, and a purple one. Totally in love with this. Well, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you liked what you saw, smash that subscribe button. Smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for new epic videos holy shit, every single week. Thank you so much to Rosie from Rosie's Dessert Spot, Lorelie from Cakes with Lorelie, and Dan from Man Cake. Go check out their videos. I will link them in the description below. They've made some incredible cakes. I will see y'all next week. Mwah. Bye-bye.